Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue with this Trans Am. All right, let's just begin. It has been 1 week since I applied this epoxy primer and primer to this top of the Trans Am. So next, what we're gonna do is, in order to fix these hail damage, first of all, I'm gonna have to start sanding it. I'm not gonna fix the dents yet. I'm gonna start sanding it, but I'm gonna be applying a guide coat. This is the guide coat that I use. So let's start applying it. Here you go. I have applied guide coat to the entire top. And why have I done that? Because I need to start sanding. I'm gonna start sanding with 180 grit with a block. I want everything to be as flat as possible, and that's gonna tell me where all the dents or high spots are gonna be on this top. I need to sand the entire thing and find out where I need to fix every little dent. You'll start noticing once I start sanding, all those little dents are gonna start appearing. Now the tools I'm gonna be using is the inline sander and some blocks. This is also the 180 sandpaper. This is a sticky back. This is what I'm gonna be using also to do the entire top. Let's start. We're gonna start sanding with the inline sander. I'm gonna be placing 180 grit. Let's go. There you go. As you guys can see, all the little dents are coming up. Now I'm gonna continue sanding with the 180 grit. There's still a lot of high build primer on it, so I'm gonna continue sanding, see how many I can remove by just sanding. All right, so I'll bring you back once the sanding has concluded. After finishing up with the 180 grit sanding, this is as much as I could eliminate. I was already reaching to the epoxy primer. So these are the dents that we're gonna have to deal with. Now let me show you how I'm gonna deal with these. With the primer that I applied, the dent is not deep. I can hardly feel them with my hands, but I know they're there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get myself some 40 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna scuff up the area where the sanding did not reach, and I'll show you what we're gonna do after that. Right here I have some 40 grit sandpaper. What I'm gonna do, all I'm gonna do with my hand, I'm gonna sand the area, making sure that that guide coat is gone. That's it. I'm gonna continue with this one. I'm gonna be doing this to every single little dent that I see. I'm going about 1 inch to 2 inches more from where the center of the dent is. Now I'm not gonna do every single one of them right now. I'm gonna go like 3 or 4 at a time. That way I won't lose where the dents are. All right, let me do a couple of more. Then we'll come back and we're gonna apply some body filler to those, just real lightly. Like I mentioned, the dent is not that big. All this hail damage was mostly covered by the high build primer. What is left over, we're gonna deal with it with the body filler. Okay, there you go. You can still see where the sanding was. So let's start applying that body filler. Here it is, right there. Now I did go a little bit over to where I had sanded with the 40 grit. There's no problem with that. Why? Because this is sanded with 180. There's still it's still sanded for that adhesion. Now, what grit am I gonna use to sand this? I'm gonna use 80 grit. Let's do that so you can see how it's gonna look. And this is what we are looking for. This is the area that needed the body work. Everything else is smooth. Now, yeah, I did go to the bare metal, which that's fine. That's no problem. This is not the last primer that this top's gonna have. So we are good. Very, very good. Now let's continue with the other little dents. We're gonna do the exact same thing to every single one of them. I already did that side. I'm showing you how I'm doing this side. This is exactly what you do when you got hail damage. This is what I do when I get a vehicle that has hail damage, and I've done it for many years. Never had an issue. Let me show you one thing. All right, this is a magnet. What I'm going to show you is that the body filler that I applied to those little minor dents are minimal. Almost no body filler. That's what I want. That's exactly what we want. Now I know that there's people that might have want to skim coat the entire thing. I don't do that. I really don't like that. That's too much body filler. But hey, if it works, it works. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go once covering each one. It's gonna take a while, but it'll be done. I already did that side, so let me show it to you right here. I already did this. Extremely smooth. Now I don't worry about the bare metal. That's no problem. This is not the last primer that this car is gonna have. So all I'm doing is working all those little dents out. All right, so let's continue with that side. Here we go. As you can see, all the body work on the top has been done. I did the exact same thing as I showed you on these. Exact same thing. I just went one at a time. Now, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna be sandwiching this body filler with more primer, but it's gonna be a special primer. So what I mean by sandwiching is it has some epoxy primer, then it has some high build primer, then we have the body filler. We're gonna be sandwiching it with a special primer. Let me show you. And this is what we're gonna use, Evercoat Super Build. This is a polyester primer surfacer, and it is direct to metal. So it doesn't really matter that I cut through and there's bare metal showing. This is the activator that I'm gonna be using, the catalyst. Some people call this sprayable body filler. Why? Because it's extremely thick. Now, in order for you to shoot this, you're gonna need a 2.0 or higher. A 2.0 or higher paint gun. 1.8, 1.7 is not gonna do it. It's not gonna go through, it's gonna clog up. So keep in mind when you're using this, this is gonna build so much that if I miss any of the hail damage, it's gonna cover it up. Now after that, we're gonna have a perfect surface so that we can block this smooth. Now if you're wondering where I got this from, it's Genesis Auto Body Supply. That's a link right there, guys. Go to my description and I'll have everything that I used and the links to where you can get all these products. All right, let's mix it up. It's mixed 4 to 1, 4 parts of the polyester primer with 1 part of the catalyst. Let's go. first coat of that Super Build primer. Now you can see little blotchiness as to where the body filler is at. That's no problem. That's gonna get covered. Now this primer is very forgiving. So if you have little warps or little dents that you have missed while fixing the hail damage, this primer is gonna cover them. It's extremely high built. As you can see, the gun was not struggling, but the fan pattern wasn't that big because it's extremely thick. So we're gonna wait 15 minutes. I'm gonna be applying 3 coats of this Super Build primer, waiting 15 minutes in between. All right, I'll bring you back once the 3rd coat has been applied so you can see how it looks. And after 3 full wet coats of this Super Build primer, there's no more hail damage. Nice. Now I'm gonna wait about a week before I can start sanding this. I just want this primer to do whatever it's gonna do, shrink. I want it completely dried. So there it is, guys. That is the way you fix hail damage. Well, that is the way I do it, and it hasn't failed me in years. So there you go. You're gonna save yourself a lot of money by doing it yourself. It's easy. It is something you can do at home. And there you go, guys. Thank you very much. This will be it for this video, and hope you liked it. I hope you learned something, and like always, I'll see you next week, and I'll see you next weekend. Like always, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to my channel so you can see this Trans Am build. Also, there's more projects to come, so consider subscribing. Hit that thumbs up, it helps a lot. Leave a comment so we can learn. If you have something different that I can adjust, leave a comment. I'm glad to read it, and we can adjust it. All right, so thank you very much. Like always, stay safe and God bless.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every code a lyric, layers so defined, turn a